Hi, I'm Pearly from Pearl Certification 𝐷𝐸. I will be explaining about what is food contamination. Food contamination is generally defined as food that has been spoiled or contaminated. This is likely to be caused by either microorganisms such as bacteria, parasites, or toxic substances that make them unfit for consumption. A food contamination can be either biological, chemical, and physical in nature. Each year, million people fall ill after eating contaminated food. It has a few ways to help people protect their food from contamination. Here is the guideline for do and don't that will help to protect a food. Do. First is need to do proper handling food and disposal of waste. It is to prevent being contaminated by microorganisms and spreading to other foods. The second is need to use separate equipment or utensils to prepare different types of food for the goodness and durability of the food. The third is need to always cover and store raw food on a separate shelf from the ready-to-eat food when you keep in the refrigerator. It is to give a food more long-lasting. Fourth, set refrigerator temperatures to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, and freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below, to maintain the quality of food when keeping in. The last one is need to always maintain high standards of personal hygiene to protect from any disease will occur. Next is don't. First is do not allow the environment to be filled with junk, especially if there is food near it. Second is do not reusing equipment or utensils for raw and cooked food to maintaining the quality of food. Third, do not combine the raw food and ready-to-eat food in the same part in refrigerator. Fourth is do not set the temperature by yourself without following the right set temperature. It is because to prevent food from damage if not followed the temperature correctly. Lastly, do not wear a dirty cloth in a production to prevent any physical contamination. Food contamination is a serious problem that can affect many consumers around the world. To prevent your food from any contamination, you can consider applying ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System. To know more about ISO 22000, please contact us at 0397650738 or visit us at www.pearl-certification.com.